If you're running a financial institution, asset management firm, hedge fund, or fintech company, you already know market data costs are out of control. With legacy providers charging sky-high fees, restrictive licensing structures, and unpredictable costs as you scale, your market data strategy could be killing your margins. So how do you optimize your cost structure without sacrificing the quality, reliability, or compliance of your market data? In this video, I will cover why market data costs are rising and where firms lose money, how legacy providers create inefficiencies in your cost structure, the key to optimizing data costs with flexible, scalable solutions, and how Intrinio helps financial institutions cut costs without compromising data integrity. Also, how to evaluate and implement a more efficient market data strategy today. Market data is one of the largest expenses for financial institutions, often ranking second only to salaries. But why is it so expensive? Legacy vendors dominate the market. First of all, Bloomberg, Refinitiv, ICE, and S&P Global control a large share of financial data, allowing them to dictate pricing. Also, per-user pricing models. Many providers charge based on the number of users, making it impossible to scale efficiently. Also, bundled and flexible packages. Firms often pay for the data they don't need just to access data sets they actually use. Compliance and redistribution restrictions. Licensing fees skyrocket if you need to distribute data across teams, build AI models, or power client-facing tools. Opaque pricing and hidden fees. Many firms are locked into expensive multi-year contracts with unpredictable cost escalations. The result? Financial institutions are overpaying for market data, and that is eating into your profitability. So how do you fix it? Well, here's the problem. Legacy data providers were not built for today's digital, scalable, and API-driven financial landscape. They have rigid licensing structures. You're forced into a one-size-fits-all package whether you need the data or not. They have slow and expensive data delivery, outdated FTP downloads and terminals instead of modern real-time APIs. Unnecessary vendor lock-in. If you want to switch providers or integrate new tech, you're locked into long-term contracts. Inefficient internal data usage. Many firms pay for the same data multiple times because different teams have different contracts. If you're looking to reduce costs, increase efficiency, and stay competitive, you need a modern, flexible approach to market data. So how do you fix your market data cost structure and get the exact data you need without overpaying? Well, adopt API-driven market data solutions. Eliminate legacy terminals and outdated feeds. Use real-time and historical APIs that scale with your needs. Also, choose modular pricing over bundled packages. Don't pay for bulk solutions. Select only the asset classes or data types that you need. Eliminate per-user fees. Find vendors that offer enterprise-wide, scalable licensing models instead of per-seat licensing. Ensure redistribution-friendly licensing. If your firm builds AI models, fintech tools, or internal research platforms, work with a provider that allows data distribution, not one that charges extra for every use case. Streamline your vendor contracts. Reduce inefficiencies by consolidating market data under a single, flexible provider. That's exactly what we offer at Intrinio. We designed our market data solutions specifically for firms looking to cut costs while maintaining high-quality, compliant data. We have modular, scalable pricing. Pay only for the data that you need. No bloated packages. Enterprise-friendly licensing. No per-user fees, no hidden costs, just clear, predictable pricing. Flexible API-driven data delivery. We've got REST and WebSocket APIs that deliver real-time and historical market data efficiently. We also have redistribution-friendly models. You can build AI models, internal analytics, and external fintech products without breaking licensing rules. We also offer seamless integration and scalability. Whether you're a hedge fund, asset manager, or a fintech firm, our APIs scale with you as you grow. If you're looking to optimize your cost structure while maintaining best-in-class market data, Intrinio is a smarter choice. If you're serious about cutting costs without sacrificing data quality, here's how to get started. Step 1. Audit your current market data costs. Identify wasteful spending on unnecessary data sets. Step 2. Evaluate API-driven solutions. Look for scalable, flexible data vendors like Intrinio. Step 3. Test a free trial of Intrinio's market data APIs and compare performance and cost savings. Step 4. Transition to a modern, cost-effective data structure with enterprise-wide licensing and scalable APIs. And if you have any questions, please drop them in the comments or reach out to our team. We are here to help. Financial institutions, hedge funds, and fintech companies no longer have to overpay for market data. If you want high-quality, scalable, and cost-efficient financial data, try Intrinia's APIs for free today and see the difference. Like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so that you never miss insights on optimizing your financial data strategy. See you next time.